And you're cheap and ugly.
Good, no? Good tour Dubai.
You tour Dubai for $2. $100, $2. I like this. Tour Dubai. Yatiraj, tell me something about this this trip we are in.
We're just going to make milk made later.
Yeah, that's later, but where are we? What are we doing? Tell me. Because this is gonna go on YouTube.
Really?
Absolutely. So do your best.
We just
Be a bit louder too.
What hotel is this? JW Marriott Hotel.
Yeah, that's Samaran Center and JW Marriott. But what are we doing?
We're just enjoying the beautiful evening of weekend.
Weekend, huh?
Yeah, weekend.
This generally costs you $100 if you take the tour Dubai. Who's this man?
Which one?
This one?
This one is Sheikh Khalifa, that is. And that is Sheikh Mohammed.
The one on this side, right?
Yeah.
Right. Who are these people?
Don't ask.
I mean, for the common man who doesn't know, will just visit YouTube.
He's what do you call? Vice President of UAE.
Who?
Sheikh Mohammed.
Okay, and
He's a president of UAE.
so it doesn't. What you're trying to say is that it's a people's government, something like polling and stuff happens.
No, polling doesn't happen.
So then, what president, prime minister, and vice president?
It's like what do you call from?
Yeah, tell me.
Shut up! I just remove that.
Okay.
If you put it in YouTube, I'll kill you.
Okay, now that he's confirmed that if this is put on YouTube, he'll kill me. Guys, if I'm dead tomorrow, be sure he's killed me. Say something, yes, yeah?
Nothing.
You're shit scared of the camera.
Not of the camera.
Then?
I'm very keen in the weekend mood.
Weekend mood, so you should be saying something.
And you've taken my picture like this sitting?
No, it's not a picture.
Video?
It's not a video. Long signal. Okay, that in the distance is C2. Now you wonder what C2 is. Yatiraj, what is C2?
C2. C for cat? 2 cats.
2 cats. So what do the 2 cats do? And that's just one bus. From here to here, that's just one bus. People often ask me, why do trains ply on Dubai roads? I told them it's not a train, it's a bus. Yeah. Nice bus though.
Yeah.
We take the same one every day to work, do we?
No, I come by Mercedes.
Yeah, it's Mercedes only. That's correct.
No, that's Volvo.
No, that is Mercedes. In case you're not aware. Right. Clean streets, less traffic.
Yeah.
Surprising for the weekend, actually speaking.
Silent weekend because Ramadan is coming through.
Oh yes, tomorrow morning.
See the Indian bicycle.
That everybody's seen. That's an Indian bike, Eliminator.
And signal is finally off.
Green, yeah. Green, and people are moving their separate ways. So are we. Nice view, I know. I like it.
This is hot, yeah. Was it hot?
Yeah, because he's not put on the AC. He didn't expect you to just sit upstairs, did he? Okay. On your right side is Traders Hotel, in which Arshad Jamal, our ex-head of department, was given his farewell, which I did not attend deliberately. On the left side is the most important place.
That is the Verbo shopping center.
No, not this one. After this, you'll see the most important place.
That is the Verbo shopping center where our lawyer used to sit.
And even more important, I'll show you one place.
Which
Okay, this is one of the same buses which we are riding right now. Morakabad police station, which is quite important for Yakiraj.
No, all the reporters of Mashtrika obviously will know that. Especially the
Especially the Filipinos. According to Yakiraj, it's not my statement. Okay.
Let me take you over here.
Oh, you must. Yeah, please do.
And this is
Am I
Mr.
looking handsome?
Shut up. Yeah, you're looking handsome. 40 plus, bro.
Yeah.
And the bus is moving now.
Now it'll take a left, I have a feeling.
No, it's gonna take left.
It is going. I have a feeling it'll take a left. Did it? Yeah, it did finally. I thought he's going straight. Uncle almost got overboard.
This is the metro, yeah?
That is the metro track.
Track of metro. Morakabad police station. How to zoom it here?
Forget the zoom. It's gone.
Okay.
Poor people waiting for buses. Poor Dubai people waiting for buses. And that's a poor Filipina standing there waiting for a bus with long hair. What else do we have? On our left, we'll certainly, not suddenly, reach Reef Mall if we do not crush these cars. We did not. The view of the road is really pleasant. If you look at this light in the evening, you'll feel as if it's very nice weather. Although, let me be very, very frank, it's about 40 degrees.
In the evening it's light weather, but after 10.
Yeah, light he means 40 degrees.
Yeah, after
These are different flags that you
after 10 p.m. it will be a red light, red light zone.
Yeah, on the left side, all these buildings will be converted into prostitution centers.
It will be a red light zone.
Oh, batao. So, do you attend them very often?
I have.
How do you know about it?
So far, I'm not done. So I'm still about Virgin.
Okay, what are you?
Carrefour Express.
This is. You're almost there. Short journey, huh?
Yeah.
Anyways. And what else? Anything else that can be worth mentioning? Yeah, on the left side you see the Reef Mall. I hardly go to this mall.
And I have never been to Reef Mall.
You're a virgin as far as Reef Mall is concerned. No, in fact, Reef Mall is a virgin as far as Yatiraj is concerned. Good. This is parking, all paid parking, very expensive. That's why nobody is parking their cars there. Except for these stupid people who've done it. That is the sun god in Dubai. I hate the sun god here.
Yeah.
Although people in England worship it. Because hardly shows its face there. I think we should be going now. Because the bus driver might not stop. Hey, there's nothing to stop us here.
No, it is.
It is? There is? Okay, now we're going down, so the journey is ended. Yatiraj.